I would like to invite you to a money manifestation forgiveness meditation. This meditation is going to help you bring in the amount of money that you desire, all through the power of forgiveness. So, save this video, come back to it anytime you are ready for potent money manifestation. So go ahead, find a seat, sit back comfortably, or lay down. Close your eyes and begin to breathe in through your nose. Hold it at the top for 1, 2, 3, 4, and let it out. Again. Let it out. Breathe in again. And breathe out. Now I want you to notice how your body feels. Now that you've breathed in and out, centering yourself. Imagine yourself floating on a river. As you're floating on this river, you begin to notice that there are so many $20, $50, and $100 bills floating with you down this lake. And when you try to pick it up, it can be a little hard because you notice you have something on your hands that is sending the money away from you. You start to wonder, what could it be? And all of a sudden, your third eye opens up and you can finally see what it really is. You have not forgiven yourself for the mistakes you have made in the areas of money. You also have not forgiven other people who have had a part in your money story. So as you're going down this stream, you pull out a journal and a piece of paper. You begin to write out all the things that you need to forgive yourself for. Are you mad at yourself for having debt? Are you upset with yourself for spending money too frivolously? Are you upset that you're not where you are financially? You write all of these things down. Even if you feel anger, resentment, or bitterness, as you see this list, you notice, you feel it in your chest. I want you to imagine green light coming out of your chest. This is your heart chakra. As you breathe in and breathe out, you will notice that your heart area begins to feel free. It begins to feel light. As you have compassion for yourself around any mistakes or mishaps that you yourself have been a part of, you begin to feel free. You notice that as you put your hand back out to grab the $20, $50, or $100 bills that are going down the stream, it makes it easier to pick up the bills. You begin collecting them. But you notice after a while, you're going down the stream, it starts to get harder again. So you pull out your journal and you begin to list all of the people who have negatively impacted your money story. When you do this, your heart is not as heavy as it was. Now that you are compassionate with yourself, you find it easier to be compassionate with others. You aren't so hard on them. And you're able to see that their actions, words, thoughts, and beliefs were all a part of your manifestation journey. As you feel light and free, you lean back into the stream again, and you're flowing. And all of the money comes to you in avalanches. Your hands are stretched out. The money just keeps coming and coming and coming. You have so much money you don't even know what to do with. There are just piles stacking up in front of you. So much so you have to begin to let it go to others around you. You're circulating and investing money in ways you've never been able to do before. You are the most abundant you have ever been in your life. And it's all because your heart is free, filled with love, peace, and light. You are now a magnet for money miracles. If this meditation was helpful for you, I want you to save this video and comment below, "The money is mine." You can also check out my Money Honey course, as this meditation is just a taste of the energy I have put inside of the course. You can go from manifesting lower amounts of money to being in a six-figure paying job, 50K months, random checks in the mail. These are some of the results that all of my clients around the globe are receiving. I want you to be a part of this movement. This is your divine birthright. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Hit the link in the bio to join us. Bye.